Okay, so I first started online, funny enough, doing something called retail arbitrage. Yeah. So basically what that is, you go into stores or you go to thrift stores or wherever and you buy stuff and then you sell it online for a higher price. Now I love shopping, so it was the perfect thing for me. And at the time I was in school, I even sold books. One time I got a free book and I sold it for $200, and after that I was hooked. The only problem was I had so many things. I had a room in my house just full of products trying to sell them, and I really didn't I felt like a hoarder just having all this stuff in my house. And this was before I sold on Amazon. This was before Fulfilled by Amazon. This was like a while ago. Going into the realm of virtual assistants, I was an executive assistant at a company and I hired my own assistant online. They were submitting me for casting calls because I'm an actress. And one of my favorite teachers, one of my favorite acting teachers, when I told him my process, said, Shelly, other actors would pay you to do this. So from that point on, I developed a system. I slowly stopped going to stores buying things, and I built this completely new company, no other company like it, where I can serve many actors for group level pricing, getting them more jobs from their casting website. So that company is called Self Submit You, and it's still around. That's a whole nother story, but that's how I got started. And from the skills I developed building that business, I then started another business where I help other entrepreneurs with their social media, building their businesses online. And I'm still continuing that journey and the process from there. But it's just one thing kind of led to another. One skill grew, and here I am.